Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Monday and this video is gonna be like a vlog style get ready with me for my trip. So good morning, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Brianna Ayana. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I'm just in the line. Hi, I have a COVID test.
A COVID test?
Yeah.
Give me 1 moment.
Okay. So I'm just in line to get my COVID test. So, oh, I forgot to wear my mask. So, yes, I'm just gonna get my COVID test, and I'm filming that for you guys.
Okay, and what is your name?
Brianna Clark.
I'm sorry?
Brianna Clark.
Okay. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is with the wipes, you're going to make sure your hands are all clean. And after you're done with that, you're going to go to take out the white package. That's going to be where the swab is. The swab is going to go into each nostril for 15 seconds. It is going to have to go pretty deep, about an inch, inch and a half. Just make sure that when you're swabbing, you're like swirling all around instead of staying in one place.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, now that swab is going to go to the testing tube. If you look at the swab at the halfway point, there's a little serrated line. That's where you're going to break it off.
We're all done. I need to throw this away. So I kind of want to go get some Starbucks. I do go and fill my lashes today as well, and I have to return something from Pretty Little Thing. So I don't know. I think I might get Starbucks and then go to, yeah, I think I'm gonna get Starbucks and then I'm gonna go to drop off the thing at the post office because my appointment is at 12. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm done with the post office. No, I'm gonna see you guys when I get to Starbucks. I really want to know why this Starbucks line is so long. Like, guys, the drive-through is literally all the way over there, like on the other side, and I am right here all the way at the back. Like, it's too early. Come on.
Ham and cheese croissant warmed up, a venti lemonade with half peach juice, half lemonade, and raspberry syrup, 4 pumps, and a scoop of strawberries.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
All right, thank you.
thank you.
Guys, I'm putting you on. That drink is about to be lit. I found it on TikTok and it was so good. Yes.
Hold on.
And here's that ham and cheese croissant.
Thank
And she
you.
told me, she was like, you want to put all
You
of
as well.
this in this one.
Guys, I didn't want the barista. I didn't want the barista to see me vlogging, but this is the drink. Isn't it so pretty? So again, it's half peach juice, half lemonade, 4 pumps of raspberry syrup, and a scoop of strawberries. Oh, so good! Guys, I'm giving you this angle because there's somebody beside me and I feel awkward. But good morning, it's Tuesday. I have some exciting news. I'm getting my braces off. Are you guys like appreciating the fro though? Period. But yeah, I'm just waiting for them to call me in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it does come off because that's what they told me. I'll let you guys know and see my teeth. This is a before. Can y'all see it? Guys, I know you see it. My braces is off. Oh, focus. Guys, I know you see it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It feels so weird not to have like anything on my teeth. I did get permanent retainers as well, and I got clear retainers, so I'm not gonna be doing much for the day. Honestly, I'm gonna go get Starbucks. I think I'm obsessed, and I'm basically done packing. I just have to put like my face stuff, my hair stuff, and I'm gonna get my hair tomorrow, so I'll take you guys along with me tomorrow while I get my hair done. Damn, it's hot. So yeah, I think that's all I have left planned for the day. Just go home and chill and edit a video so I can post before I leave and and I have another one I can edit while I'm on the plane. But yeah guys, so I'll get back to you tomorrow when I'm going to get my hair done. Hey guys, so it's been like hours later and I've gotten all the stuff that I needed to get. I'm just gonna go ahead and thread my eyebrows because them now look so cute. So I'm gonna try and vlog. You know me and the social vlogging. I like that. Guys, I'm on the phone and the person is awkward because I'm vlogging. So imagine if I'm in person, but if I get footage, you will see it. So yeah, bye. guys, I'm home now. If you hear a sound, it's either the dog or the washing machine. I'm just washing some last minute stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got when I went out. I was gonna get a handbag, but I wasn't feeling it because my current handbag right now, it is like too small for like my laptop, like water bottle, like all of those stuff. So I got other stuff. What's this? So I got this Nike bag. It is like see-through, but most of my stuff would be in cases. So I got this Nike bag. I got it from Marshall's. Oh, there was a tag on it. Yeah, I got it from Marshall's and it was $17. I didn't get these today, but it's just a 100 pack of black mask because, you know, traveling, that's essential. I just got some leggings. I normally get my leggings from Ross, but they didn't have any, so I got these at Marshall's. So it's just a 2-pack. Just some, oh, my eyelash. Just some regular black leggings. Then my mom actually like got me a passport holder, but for some reason, hello, there we go. For some reason I couldn't find it, and yeah, so this is my passport holder. Isn't it so cute? It's just black, nothing special. And this was, how much was this? This was $7. What else did I get? Oh, and I got some bag tags. Aren't these so cute? Like, these are so cute. Oh, look at my teeth. Yeah, girl. Ah! But yeah, aren't these so cute? I just got one for my check-on and one for my carry-on, because it's just a plain black suitcase, you know. I don't want nobody confuse it with theirs. And then the next stop was the dollar store. What did I get at the dollar store? Oh, I just got a toothbrush and some gum, because Winter Fresh is my favorite gum. That's all I got. And then at Walmart, I just got some baby oil, because guys, I have the driest skin ever, so even when I buy lotion, I still need baby oil. So yeah, and I got just a pack of earrings. I really need to invest in like some like quality earrings, so I don't have to keep buying $5 earrings from Walmart. Yeah, but I don't know where to go to get that. What else is there? Then I went to Target, thumbnail. And what did I get from Target? Oh, I got this like card holder. Guys, my wallet is so big and bulky. I was gonna get a Louis Vuitton one, but you know, I need to live within my means, and I'm moving soon, so yeah. So I got just this card holder for my debit cards, my green card, and my ID, so I don't have to walk around with my big wallet. I got some flushable cleansing cloths. I don't know if this is like for your body or for the thing, but I think I'm gonna still bring my Clorox wipes. But yeah, I got that. I got some feminine wash. I got some locks for my suitcases. I got this little like hand lotion from Cetaphil. I got some body wash. I got some toothpaste. I got some micellar water because my own is out. And I got a deodorant. This one is cocoa butter. It smells so good. Yeah, because I'm running out of that as well. And I think that's all I got. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, follow me on Instagram. But yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.